Welcome to the first day of February. Today's a Monday. Hopefully, everybody's doing well. This video is for those people absent or need some extra help. For the self start today, people will be picking up an orange paper as they come in to practice their interests that we learned on Friday. So, this can be found on Canvas under the homework. And it looks like this. So people will be doing this for their self-start, but then finishing it at the end of the day as their homework. So there you go. For your facts, there you go. Hopefully you have paused and already read them. That's okay. Feedback on percents. This is going to happen on Thursday. Typically, we do feedbacks on Friday. This week, we're going to be doing it on Thursday. You need to understand how to solve a percent increase or decrease. You need to do interest, as well as what we're practicing today. So pay attention to that. Remember, Friday, February 19th is the deadline for late work. Don't wait any longer on that. It's going to be coming up pretty quick. So, also, if you are checking your grades, you see something you don't agree with or don't understand, please make sure that you're talking to your teachers quickly, whether it's me or anybody else, just so that we have time to fix any mistakes. For today, we're talking about the self-start. Hopefully we already did that. Checking your grades. And our last topic for this unit, we're talking about percent markup and markdowns. This topic tends to be kind of basic, kind of easy because of how they're solved. So we're going to talk about that, get some practice in, and then call it good. So for percent markups and markdowns, they're solved the exact same way as what we did for sales tax and discounts a couple weeks ago. So it originally said like a sales tax over cost equals percent over 100. Or a markdown would be like a discount over cost equals percent over 100. For a markup, you find the markup and then add it to the cost. A markdown, you subtract it from the cost. So it looks something like this. A new pair of Nikes cost $80 to manufacture. The store then marks up the price 15% in order to make some money. So the first question is, what is the dollar amount of the markup? So we remember, just on the last slide, it's just like what we did for sales tax and tips and stuff. So we're going to do X over the cost. The cost was $80 equals our percent over 100. So I'm going to multiply numbers that are diagonal. So I'm going to do 80 times 15. And then I'm going to divide by 100. And I get an answer of 12. So this is how much they're going to mark up the price. They're not marking it up to $12. I mean, a pair of Nikes for only $12, that's a heck of a deal. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that now and we're going to add it to the cost of the shoes. So the cost was $80 and the markup is $12. So that means these shoes are now going to be sold for $92. So there we go. Sarah bought a new TV to watch the Super Bowl. Yep, it's Super Bowl time. The cost was $1,250, but it was marked down 30%. What's the price of the TV after the markdown? So again, markdowns are done just like a discount, a sale. So we're going to do X over the cost, which is $12.50, equals our percent, which was 30 over 100. So we're going to put into our calculators 30 times $12.50, and we're going to divide it by 100. So we get an answer of X equals 375. Now this is not the cost of the TV, this is just how much is being marked down. So to find the total cost, I have to do $12.50, and a discount means we're going to pay less, so we're going to subtract the $375. So when I do that, I get an answer of $875. So that's the new cost of the TV after the markdown. So we'll try this one. You buy new headphones for $240. Man, those must be like some nice AirPods or Beats or something. The store can't sell them, so they mark down the price 40%. So how much money is going to be discounted off? So X over 240 equals our percent over 100. I'm going to do 40 times 240 divided by 100, and I get an answer of 96. So again, this is not the cost of the headphones. This is how much is coming off because of the markdown. To find the total now, we have to do our cost minus that 96, which winds up being 144. So the new costs of the headphones is $144. So our next one, I already showed you the answer, but that's okay. Around Christmas time, a new Xbox system was released. The store sells it for $500, and people bought them, marked up the price 65% to resell them on eBay. What's the cost of the Xbox after the markup? So we do our X over 500 equals our percent over 100. So I'm going to do 65 times 500 divided by 100, and I get an answer of 325. So that's not the cost after the markup, that's just how much they're being marked up by. So to find the total cost, I have to do 500 plus 325, which gives me an answer of 825. So people were reselling these Xbox new systems for $825, and there's kind of proof of it. So this is copied right off of eBay. So everything else is very, very similar. Sometimes you might have to work on a discount and taxes at the same time, but for today, I'm not going to worry too much about that. A double markdown, again, if something's discounted 50% and then they mark it down another 50%, that doesn't mean you get it for free. You know, they're not going to take 100% off of it. They're just going to take 50% off, and then they're going to take 50% off the new price. So there you go. If you have any questions, contact your teacher, Canvas, email, get a hold of us any way you can. Have a great day. We'll see you guys soon.